glow to the E to the wake up morning. It's me, it's me. Now realizing my skin is glowing, showing my healthiness on my mind. Can't have no pimples now. I gotta do what I gotta do. Look good for you, Gloweisha. Oh, oh, oh. Glow to the E to the Gloweisha. Alright, what's up? What's up? How you doing? It's Victoria, that girl with the hair, that girl with the YouTube, all that. Follow me. I know you've already watched my wash and go, right? And I know you already watched Dinner with Pimp Daddy because we healthy eating in 2019, right? And I know you already liked and subscribed, put comments below, interacting with your girl, right? And of course you follow me on Instagram at __ that girl with the hair, right? Okay, because really and truly, this YouTube page popping, but my Instagram story is where it really gets popping. You gonna hear me rant, you gonna hear me tell you all my little tips, you gonna hear everything. You should most definitely follow me on the IG. But today I will be recording, and I'm finally getting down to this. Nadia, OMG, it's Nadia. Nadia with the eyes. Girl, this video is for you, okay, baby? Today I'm going to show you how I do my no makeup look, my glow to the E to the, my Gloweisha, okay? If you go look on my Instagram at __ that girl with the hair, because you got to plug yourself. Because if you don't plug yourself, who gonna plug you, boo-boo? Who? Okay, Victoria, stop ranting. If you go follow me on Instagram, there's some pictures. You might have to scroll a little bit because I'm a little bit more consistent posting now. But there's a picture and I have a black shirt. I have one of them black chain gang shirts, hair slicked back, and the skin is just whoo. And then I have another picture with my Gloweisha wig on, my little Synthetica bob wig on, and it's whoo. And that's the makeup that I'm going to be doing today. I love just a good clean skin look, your skin but better type look. I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and I've also washed, prepped my skin, all that, moisturized, primed my skin. It's kind of cloudy, but when if makeup feels like, you know, that day when you're just playing around in your makeup and it always comes out the best than days you actually are trying to try. So that's why I'm not going to force any makeup videos out. I'm just letting makeup videos happen, because if I try to force it, it's going to look a hot mess. So we're just going to go through regardless and get this makeup done. But stop rambling. Boom. What I start off with on days where I want that little extra glow, actually, I use this right here. This is NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Oh, it's hard to talk while you're doing this, but I don't want to make this a voiceover. I'm just kind of spreading it all over my face, but I want to focus the most part on the places that I'm going to highlight anyway. So if anybody wants to donate, my Cash App is, I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll put it somewhere. If anybody wants to donate to get Victoria ring light fun, because I am mixing the orange color corrector by LA Pro Girl, LA whatever her name is, just a little bit. I know it looks like I'm putting a lot, but I just use the end of it to mix it in my hand with the concealer, and that's how I color correct. Because the orange is too orange for me, but mixing it with the foundation concealer, it just gets it to the right color. And so where I have these spots going on, where I have that discoloration, I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna take a beauty, this is not a beauty blender. This is by Real Techniques. I'm gonna wet it up because it's not wet already. And look, when y'all see my sponge, I know it's time for a new sponge, okay? But I'm not buying a new sponge right now. So this one is going to have to work. I trying to keep it clean as possible, but it's a little old and raggedy or whatever. Also, if you want to donate to the ring light fund, to the Vic Need a New Sponge fund, then feel free to do that. But if not, then feel free to just do your makeup with your sponge and don't worry about mine. When I do makeup, I start little and slowly build up. I really just take my time and have fun with my makeup. That's why it takes me so long to get ready. So like you can still see the spot here, but it's not as bold. You can still see that I have little stuff down there, but it's not as bad. But now I I'm going to take FAWN, same FAWN, and put it under my eye and on my forehead, on my eye, forehead, and stuff. And then same, we're gonna come in the beauty blender, the Real Techniques blender, and blend that in. I always feel like this is gonna be so weird to people that don't like know me but don't know me, because you can know Victoria, like it's tons of people that know me, but only people that are like close with me or really I'm comfortable around know how goofy I am. Looks good, like so you can see where under here it's a little brighter, but it doesn't look like I have a bunch of makeup on. It doesn't look cakey. It's just, okay, her skin looks even. And I have dark, and then I have, is this deepest dark? No. Okay, I have da-da-da-da. So, to set my makeup, I use MAC Mineral, come on, get right. Oh my goodness. Okay, to set my makeup, I use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark and then in deep dark. So, for places that I highlighted, I'm going. Sorry y'all, my camera ran out of memory, but I just ended up setting my face using those MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powders, dark on the highlighted areas and dark deep everywhere else. And now I'm doing my mascara. I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I follow up with the Benefit Bad Girl Bang to go back and separate my lashes. So actually, okay, after my mascara, I can be considered done, but because I'm a little extra, I'm going to take it a couple steps further. Next, I'm going to bronze. All right, we're back from that little mishap, but we just finished putting on mascara. Next, I'm going to bronze my skin using SOLEIL by MILANI. I don't know if I bronze correct, if like my description, what are you trying to say? I don't know if this is the proper bronzer for me, but I like the way it looks on my skin. So that I'm going to bronze my cheek and kind of make a 3 on my face. I got one chin, I'm down to one chin, so I make sure I want to show that thing off. I'm going to mix berries and cranberry, but like barely any. Barely any, and I'm going to put that on. Hopefully it comes out. And then blush on your nose. Oh my God, it give you a little Cindy Lou action, okay? Get your little Cindy Lou on. Alright, so next I highlight. Y'all know I like that glow. If you look on my Instagram at __ that girl with the hair, then so many of my pictures, I love this angle right here. Because my cheekbones and this, oh, the light loves me. You have to find the light. And don't judge me because my highlight is beat up, toe up. I need to find another one. I can't find another one. My absolute favorite highlight is actually by Wet n Wild. And it is, what is this? Come on, light. I've been blinding myself. Hold up. Crown of My Canopy by Wet n Wild. The highlighting powder, MEGAGLO highlighting powder, baby. Listen, it's barely anything in here. I'm beyond paying. I just be getting a little scraps on the edges. But I love this highlight. Oh my goodness, because it just looks so natural on your skin. And I need to go buy another one. Well, I need to go find another one. Every time I go on a CVS or every time I go on Walgreens, I look for it, but I never find it. So until then, I'm going to scrap. Hit my nose and kind of the exact same places that I blush. So this, I guess, wouldn't be a no makeup look. It's like a big, do you have on makeup? Because your skin is popping. Makeup look. Boom, bam. The last touch is going to be my lips. Normally, now I've had my, I don't play by my lips. If you got big lips, you need some chapstick. I use Aquaphor. I've had that on since the beginning of my makeup. And normally, I'll just do a clear lip gloss. Like, that's my go-to. I love me some clear lip gloss. But I can't find it right now. Girl, Rochelle, you just interrupted my video. I was almost done. Lord. Okay, so, normally, I just like a clear lip gloss. I have a lot of NYX butter glosses that are really nude colors, and I'll kind of do whatever combination I can grab first of those. But once again, my makeup is missing, and I can't find that. Now here's a little Vic tip: lip liner, eyeliner, brows, all the same thing to me. So I'm actually going to use the pencil that I did my brows with to line my lips, because listen, I need y'all to learn to line your lips. Especially if you have big lips, align your lips. It looks good. It's, if you don't want it to show, then use the same color as whatever lipstick or whatever that you're using. But me, 99.9% of the time I used to have black eyeliner or this pencil or something because I lose everything. So I lose my, what is this? Lip liner. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this this is actually LA Colors lipstick that I borrowed from my mom, if you've been looking for it. I got it. Okay, say you don't have any lip liner or you can't find your preferred lip liner. Just take your little angle brush and use some powder. I'm going to use the brown in my box of crayons palette. What have I done? You know what you should do? You should comment below and let me know your favorite nude lip product. Have I told y'all to comment below yet? I don't know. Let me know what you think of this. Okay, so I'm kind of messing up my lips, but this is another MAC Patent Polish lip pencil, and this one is in Teen Dream. It's like really coral. The winning combination was a little brown and too much black powder as your lip liner, this LA Colors matte lipstick in the color In Love, and then we used some of that Teen Dream patent lip pot whatever this is by MAC with some Aquaphor. Boop. Alright, y'all, that's it. This is my everyday makeup, no makeup, my skin but better. I know I got on makeup, but I want to glow to the eat to you, Gloweisha on you makeup look. It's all about just keeping it really simple and building up and playing with your makeup, taking your time and enjoying your makeup, and that's when it starts to look good. If you haven't seen my wash and go, you should most definitely check that out. The wash and go and this look is probably my most requested videos, so I got those two out of the way. I don't know what to say. I feel like I've been rambling and talking, so I need to film this intro, put on some clothes and get out the door. Bar.